All right. So let's look at this again. So this is how we do an invoice. So the customer comes in, we do this invoice. Log in, and regardless whether I'm an administrator or what's going on, I should be able to log in and do whatever. I should be able to do everything, not just limited to one job or the other. But my sign in does everything. So here you pick up the customer. So first class detail. We can pick whatever customer we want. We could type in a few letters, like have Lawrence, this, Lawless, Russell. So it just doesn't limit to what we type in. We can just pick everybody from the list. But it takes us there, so anything like that, MAT brings that up, and we can still look through the rest of the customers. So it's got some basic information up there. You look at authorized buyers. So let's say like Alliance. Those are not the authorized buyers are there. So we can verify them. So let's pick All-Star Auto. Okay. And tells us what price level he's on. This is the tax group. All the stuff right there. And you should have a on credit hold, account limit, order limit, net owed. It should tell us his balance if there's a balance. So let's look at one like that. And so it says, account limit's 8,500, open charges here is this minus credit here is that amount. So it lets us know that it's okay to go forward. Alright, but for fun, we're just going to stick with the guys at the top, first twice the table. Say okay. And the invoice comes up. It's got some more information over here on him as well. Got some tabs. Alright, so let's bill. So this is another thing I need you to work on, because when I sell a product, it has certain products that are not suggested, but that actually go with it. So it could use any temperature reducer from this number to this number. It takes a hardener, and then it has gallon size reducers from this number to this number. So customers buy all that. So here I could check and say this and this, and add it to the ticket. You see, it goes along, and it tells them, I have a note that tells it this is the mixing ratio. So under the inventory record, I can have a place where I put transaction notes, and so it comes forward with the transaction notes, and I could link products to it. These are not just suggested; these are actually not tag-alongs, but I guess suggested products that go with the sale. You tell it this is the correct hardener for that product, and this is the correct reducer for that product. And this is how many it needs. If there's quantity 2, I could have adjusted it. So let's say another product algorithm. Let's see what comes up. So when I don't type the number right, it comes up and gives me a list of what I'm at. So let's say this. And it says that this is how, you see this one times 2. Times 2. So when I click here, we'll say times 2 of that one. And it goes by the quantity. But there you go. So the notes are coming across. And it's and it puts it on the invoice. So that's something we need to work on. I don't think that's there right now. So any product like that, so if I say parts, let's say C200, it says that either one of those accounts, either one of those part numbers will work. And this is the hardener that goes with it. This is the correct size that goes for that size clear. And there it goes. Now it doesn't always happen like that. But then we have one roll of tape, and we have with an S, something's been specified as a row of 6, or we have a case. So we have different shortcuts, the same part number, what they call templates. So we have the same part number sold as an individual, a sleeve of 6, or a case of 24. And the prices are adjusted, but it's all working off of this one part number, just different discount structure according to how we sell it. Alright, so this is an invoice, so here we would say tender, and we would say, credit card on file, we would say on account. If the customer had a credit limit set up, so here I have a button where I could type in as the boss and adjust the guy's credit limit if I wanted to. Say allow this charge, so on. So we got cash, check, the credit card swipe. So we can do that. Alright. So in this case, I'm going to void it out because I want to put it to the register. Alright.